Heartily welcome to all to the new YouTube channel GKAG.
Question number 1. What is the disease of vitamin C deficiency? Answer: scurvy. Question number 2. What is the disease caused by vitamin A deficiency? Answer: night blindness. Next, which disease is known as white plague? Answer: tuberculosis. Who first discovered penicillin? Answer: Alexander Fleming. Next, which is the India's first train service? Answer: Bombay to Thane. Question number 6. What is the unit of electric charge? Answer: Coulomb. Question number 7. Which is the lightest particle in the atom? Answer: electron. In which solution gold is soluble? Answer: aquargia. Which plant emit ozone during photosynthesis? Answer: basil. Question number 10. Which vitamin is present in rice bran? Answer: vitamin B. Next, what part is responsible for maintaining body balance? Answer: ear. When was the non-cooperation movement started? Answer: August 1st, 1920. Who is known as Prasanna Buddha? Answer: Adi Shankara. Question number 14. Who was the first female judge of the Supreme Court of India? Answer: Fatima Bibi. Which state is the largest producer of coffee in India? Answer: Karnataka. In which novel Vande Mataram is written? Answer: Anandamath. Which acid is present in turmeric? Answer: tartaric acid. Who appoint judges of High Court in India? Answer: President. Question number 19. Who is known as Lokanayak? Answer: Jayaprakash Narayan. Which is the largest fish producing state in India? Answer: Andhra Pradesh. Question number 21. Who gave the slogan Dilli Chalo? Answer: Subhash Chandra Bose. Question number 22. Which is the brightest star? Answer: Sirius. What is Daltonism also known as? Answer: color blindness. Question number 24. Who established the Zur dynasty? Answer: Sher Shah Suri. Who founded the All India Forward Bloc? Answer: Subhash Chandra Bose.
If you like my videos, please subscribe, share, and also enable bell icon. See you soon.